at this. How about these boys? Jason Richards and Jamie Whincup. Whincup has been demonstrating very impressive lap paces. Jamie Whincup after disposing of Rick Kelly. This is now down to a team battle. And here comes Jason Richards. He's on at the top of the straight.
Dodo Racing entry of Whincup and Richards.
This is the defining moment of Jason Richards' career.
Hi guys, Tim here from TP Restorations and Replicas down here in Melbourne, ready for our next project. We've got the Tasman Motorsport TM02 chassis as campaigned by Jason Richards in the 2005 series in Dodo Racing colours. After an up and down start to the year, Jason had a massive crash at Queensland Raceway.
Monumental rollover for Richards.
After a huge rebuild from the team, Jason rebounded to score a top 10 at Oran Park before being joined with Jamie Whincup for the Enduros.
That's a stunning performance.
The drivers proved to be a great pairing, achieving their first podiums in the series with third place at the Sandown 500. The team went one step better at the next event with second place at Bathurst. I'm really excited to complete this car, so let's get started. Well, finally got the base layer all down. It looks really good, it's really punchy, really vibrant. The next step is to put all the logos on.